Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another vintage video. It's been a long time from my last vintage video, and this time I'm gonna present you the BMW R25/3. This is a vintage machine. It is from 1955, so just after the war, and it is in black, as most of these BMWs were, and it is a very nice looking vintage motorcycle. I'm gonna show it right now. The owner, it's a member of the veteran club from Maribor, Slovenia. Here it is, guys, the R25/3. This is the helmet that goes with this model, and it is not completely, let's say, in the motorcycle style, but it goes with it because it is vintage too. As we can see, this one, it's a 250cc model, R25 or 25, and it is in a very good condition, I would say. It was restored 20 years ago. Some parts are not stock or are homemade, but overall the look of this machine, it's great. So if we check some details, we can see that this one looks very good. So it is a shaft driven motorcycle. The electricity on this one, it's a 6-volt electricity, so it's not a 12-volt motorcycle. Let me show you the kickstart. Here you have the kickstart, and it's in the horizontal direction, so it's not that way, guys. So very interesting. And the carburetor, here we have the switch to open the fuel, and the one spark plug engine, 250cc single cylinder 4-stroke. On the speedo, it has 140 kilometers per hour. There are a lot of this kind of motorcycles of this era that had also the sidecar connected on the frame, and this is no exception. So here we can see this part it's homemade, and then this one ball, it's here, and then you have the other ball, it's here, and also here it's another connection. So this is something that it's quite special nowadays, because, as you know, this is just a rarity, in my opinion, to have a sidecar. The shaft drive, as you can see, very exposed, so open in a way, and this is the suspension. So this one is equipped with the telescopic forks. As you can see, the front fork, it's here, and it's very nice. Drum brakes, both brakes are 160, I mean both drums, so no difference between the front and the rear one. And here it's the same, the telescopic suspension, so very nice. It is also interesting that this model was stock with a rack here, but on this particular motorcycle, here we can see that it has a very special pillion seat, and here it's the proof that It is from Germany. It is written model 1955, so Schorsch-Meyer. This is from Munich. The exhaust looks like a stock one, but in fact it's a bit modified, and the modification it's here because the shape it's really not that one of a stock one, but it's a bit modified, like I said. One thing more, here we have the regulation for the hardness or softness of the steering. So this is something that all these older bikes have. And the mirror, as a stock bike it was without a mirror, but this is just additionally on, so it's not stock. And to be honest, even the turning signals are not present on this model, because remember, this is a 1955 model, and that time rules were different than today. It has a 4-speed gearbox, and if you are asking about the top speed, it should be a little bit more than 100 kilometers per hour, but it really depends if you have the sidecar on or you are riding without. This is the key, and this is also additionally on, and it is just additional equipment of this model. What do you think, guys? A very, very nice model from BMW R25/3. Here we have the opening of the air filter. So this is something that is very important on these older BMWs. So the filter has to be open before we start the engine, and the Bing carburetor that is here. A little bit more about the engine. It is a 250cc air-cooled single cylinder producing 13 horsepower at 5,800 revs, and this is just fine for a normal, let's say, usual ride on the countryside roads, even today. Let's check the sound, guys. The owner just told me that I can go for a ride, and I am very excited to do it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please do me a favor and subscribe, and you know, till the next one.